Hi, it's Lou Manfredini, Ace's home expert, and in this video we're going to show you how to change the belt on your snow thrower. Now I have a unit right here behind us. Now keep in mind that every one is different. This is a single stage Craftsman unit and you need to buy the appropriate belt. That's where you have to start, of course. And you can either go to your user's manual or get online to find the model number so you know which belt to purchase. On this particular unit, there's a shroud on the side here that we're going to remove, and then I'm going to show you how to put the belt on. Taking a look at this shroud, I can see that there's 3 bolts that I have to remove. These 2 are the same size, and then this is a larger bolt up here that you're going to need a ratchet and an extension. Now you can see that this belt is pretty worn, and you may see signs of this when you're using it where that paddle is slipping. This is the pulley that's connected to the engine. This is the pulley that's connected to the paddles in the front. And if you notice when you squeeze the handle, it's binding or not turning, there's a good chance that you need a new belt. There's a tensioner here, an automatic tensioner. This is what pulls down when you pull that handle to engage the belt. And you can see here that it's kind of torn and slippage here. So we're going to go ahead and replace this belt, which is pretty easy to do. Okay, with the belt loose and the unit off, you can actually spin this, and you're going to grab a hold of the paddles and you're going to turn this while you pull the belt over this pulley to kind of take it off like that. And then you're going to pull it off of this here as well. You'll see on this one is a little retaining clip here. You're going to lower this tension and the belt comes off. Now we're going to double check that the new belt matches up with the old belt, and it does. And basically I'm going to reverse that same process to put the new one on. So I'm going to just kind of guide this into this pulley, and I'm going to rotate the paddles again. A little easier to do now because the top portion of it is not connected. I'm going to push that in place, lower this to line up that little retaining metal piece over the top of that. Use a screwdriver to line up this belt, and you want to kind of get into that pulley and rotate the belt. It's going to stretch a little bit, and you see you popped it on there. Make sure that this tensioner is on there. I'm going to squeeze the tensioner just to make sure that it engages, right? And that's when that goes down, that's what engages the paddles. That all looks good. Now we're ready to put the cover back on. You're ready for the snow. Coming up next, my video on how to change the oil in your snowblower.